guys, ngayon pala na-upload na din yung sa YouTube ko. Upload na guys. So, mag-ano tayo? MM2. MM2. Ay, ano? Ito. Tapos mag-upload na ako sa YouTube ko. Guys, follow nyo na yung subscribe na yung YouTube channel ko. Guys, pa-subscribe naman eh. Pa-subscribe. Pag subscribe ako dun. Lalaro tayo ng wala na pinakamahirap. Hello. Ano yung nangyayari dyan? Screen. Ayan, snitch na. Na-record screen tayo. Ayaw ko maging murderer. Jumper versus spamper. Ano yan? Spamper. Yung pa. Spamper. Sorry, screw yun. Guys, upload ko dito sa YouTube. Kasi guys, wala lang gusto ko lang ito. Pag-upload nyo na. Minaset tayo. Magagawin magtatago. Bawal tayo dyan. Ito tayo guys. Ada tayo dito sa ano ko. Mataya. Waiting the generation, you've been princess and this when the love story to be seen. Sana hindi tayo mataya. Yay! Dari tayo. Ano?
Sorry everyone, I just have to kill them.
Piki mata din. Hold tingnan nyo ano sila. Mark game. Hello, I'm Orange. Guys, nandun nga pala sa TikTok ko kung gusto nyo sumali ng Fruit Squad. Actually, nandun yung pwede nyong gawin. Yun, andun yung mga may rules guys. Bawal kayong mag-away may rules guys at saka bawal kayong mag-away at saka ako din yung leader niyo. Pwede naman kayo maging oh, grabe guys, patay agad tayo. Bilhin ko to.
On your current bill, there is a late fee. $1.97 as per check. Because it was paid after the due date.
Ikaw.
Yes.
Power.
Jimmy,
Yun yung
I need to
power.
get up here.
Hello. Galing. Ang galing. Ang galing mo. There are empty daw. Buti. Ay, manalo pa rin pala yung. Pero dito tayo guys. Guys, gusto nyo makasali sa squad. Kaso nga lang guys, wala pang nagsasabi kung sino gusto makasali sa squad kaya hindi pa ako nagpapalit ng skin.
By the way, you're as white
Okay.
as snow. You're as white as snow.
Nasyak ako. Innocent na naman ako. Ulit ako. Kakainis. Baka. 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 Bakit? 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 Abakat. 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 Charis. O kaya ano? Iyak sa buhay.
The full month, this month, the current bill. We can only remove it on the current bill. The last one, the partial bill, the late charge will be reflected on this bill. Not on the previous bill, but on this bill. Yes, on May 14, there's a notation to your account. Is this the one that you're talking about? May 14, the representative here shows the customer is experiencing issues paying bill through the automated system. The display minimum payment amount is higher than their actual bill. Resolution can be then provided the customer with a direct phone number for Grab payments. Bypass.
Guys, sumayin na kayo sa
Bypass
squad
the
ko.
automated system payment.
Comment lang kayo dun sa TikTok bio ko. Upload ko dito kay sa YouTube. Papabutin ko lang ang guys, sobrang saya ko kapag nag-subscriber ako. Kasi diba dun nga sila nagiging so pag nag 1 million ako and wag nag 1 million na nga ako siguro ma-add nyo ko or anything pwede kayo mag-request sa akin kaso TikTok lang ako or anything kayo money galing guys galing bigay ko sa akin guys ng friend ko itong mga gamit na yan actually ganito lang yung gamit ko diba dalawa lang so naging ganyan kasi nga wala so oh rocker anong rocker baka hacker ano yan rocker zero pinto is naman wala naman ako sinabi ko kasi may sinabi ko innocent na naman pero pwede din naman ay kailan nang kalimutan ko ba't dito ko nila ow 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 kakainis naman. Hello! Hello! Mukhang isa yung murderer, guys. OMG. Paano nyo yun makukuha, guys?
Sorry for the inconvenience. No worries. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the
Kayo
late charge.
maingay.
So I was unable to remove the late charge on your account this person. And sorry for the inconvenience. So I'm seeing, since I've sent the notifications already, I was able to remove the late charge.
Ay!
So now the balance on your account. Yes, in April 9, right? You called in to pay the bill. So
Bakit, mami? Ha?
yes, it's already waived. I already waived the late charge for you.
Ah!
There is no late charge on your previous bill. That this bill only.
Eh? Eh? Eh?
You bomb. You ducked super bomb.
Alright, no worries.
Get it sharp.
Nah.
Oh, of course, I must got big. This week was always
Tingnan naman lang.
Alright, your avatar. I'm over avatar. Sorry. I just was talking to my daughter. Hey, how you? I didn't know it would say daddy.
Ha ha. La 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 la.
No,
din ako. Nag-murder lang na. Guys, isang laro na lang tayo. Magpapalinis na ako sa inyo. Guys, ang ingay. Kaya mo na. Thanks, pagpuha. Yap. Yap. Oh. Go, 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 go. Kaya niya. Go, kaya yan. Kaya yan. Oh my God. Kaya. So, ito na guys. So, dito na nagtatapos ang ating video. Kaya bye-bye na! Bye-bye!